Hello, welcome to chapter 37 from the book of Genesis. In this chapter, we see that Israel now continues to dwell in the land of Canaan. Joseph was 17 years old and was feeding the flock with his brethren. He was there with his brothers and he brought a bad report of them to Israel, that is Jacob. Israel loved Joseph more than his other sons, and he makes a coat of many colors for Joseph. All the other sons were jealous of Joseph, and now they hated him even more. We then see Joseph has a dream and tells his brothers about it. In this dream, he and his brothers are binding sheaves. Joseph's sheaf rises and all the other sheaves bow down to him. This made the brothers angry, as this was a sign of Joseph's dominion over them. We then see Joseph has a second dream. In this dream, Joseph dreams the sun, moon, and the 11 stars were bowing to him. He tells this dream to his father and brothers, and his father Israel rebukes Joseph and says, "Will his parents bow to him?" We then see Joseph's brothers are tending the flock in Shechem. Israel sends Joseph to his brothers to check if they are okay. Joseph was wandering in the field, and a man asks, whom did he seek? Joseph says he was looking for his brothers. The man said that they had left for Dothan. When Joseph's brothers saw him from afar, they conspired to kill him. They planned to kill and throw him in a pit and tell Israel that a beast ate him. Reuben, the eldest son, says not to kill him and instead put him in a pit. Reuben did this so that he can rescue Joseph and deliver him to Israel. When Joseph came near, they stripped him of his coat. They then threw him in a pit, however, there was no water in it. Then they sat to eat, and they found a bunch of Ishmaelites going towards Egypt for trade. They were carrying spices, balm, and myrrh. Judah then said there is no profit in killing their brother and convinced the others to sell him. They then sell Joseph for 20 pieces of silver. Reuben does not know about this transaction, and when he comes back and checks the pit, he does not find Joseph there. He inquires about Joseph to his brothers. We then see they kill a kid goat and dipped Joseph's coat in its blood. Then they gave it to Israel and said him to identify the coat. Israel identifies it and was inconsolable. Towards the end of the chapter, we see Joseph is then sold in Egypt to Potiphar, an officer of Pharaoh's and captain of the guard. This is how the chapter ends. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Until next time, may God be with us all. Bye bye.